sick. Oh, poor doggy. Oh, maybe we'll have to take you outside. As soon as we get everything straightened out, we'll take you outside, okay? Oh, this is so awesome. Look at the view out our port light. There it is, ocean. We're here. And I'm happy. Very, very, very happy. No, he has no horizon.
Well, we might as well shut the engine off, eh? Yeah, you just clear sand, you know, put the plug in, it'll kill it, then...
Okay. Well, that's better. With all that noise. We won't be doing this plug thing for very long.
I'm sure you guys will figure out a plan.
Yeah, we're gonna have to. Cause I don't like this. Huh?
I want to have all my fittings and stuff by Wednesday if we can.
Yeah. Well, she's not got much heel yet. I guess we'll find out when the Genoa goes up.
Yeah. Again, we're not really.
We're on a pretty.
There's not as much wind as it seems like.
Yeah.
And that's the odd thing about the strait is.
Compass isn't too far out.
Like when she was messing with her glasses, it didn't just go, but it did slowly come to weather, and that's really, that's what you want. Is that your engine tack on the far right there? Yeah.
Yeah.
We're like 500? 500. Yeah, see that's quite amazing to me. This thing must
You'd have no problem getting past full speed.
Yeah.
With this, but
that's what I was just gonna say.
Oh, we can try putting the hammer down.
No need to get the hammer down yet.
no, we've got nowhere to go.
Till we see what this turkey. He looks like he's gonna head on up. So let him turn the corner and get going here. Like I said, we'll just duck out to the.
We'll stay in the stern way.
Yeah, we'll duck out to the right side there, and that way it's a turn.